Hi, everybody. It's Joni Cunningham. I'm the principal here at Russell Ranch Elementary School, and I wanted to welcome you to kindergarten and to welcome you to Russell Ranch. Some of you have uh, had kids here in the past, and some of you are new to our school. Regardless, welcome to what we hope is an incredible new year. 2020 and 2021 has really given us some things to think about. So we are at this point planning on what we say is a normal year for 21-22 for in the fall. So we're hoping for that. Bear with us as we are learning as you go, but we are going to talk about kindergarten and what to do when you take a look at the slideshow, as if we're coming back with normal precautions. And if things change, we'll update as we go. Most parents have many questions, and I'm assuming you will. We normally get together in the multi and we talk together and get to meet and ask questions and start the year off on a really good note. We don't get to do that this time. So I have included a PowerPoint, and this is the PowerPoint that the kindergarten team and I usually show to parents. There's some basic information in here, but I think it'll give you a pretty good start for what we're going to do. You're going to watch the PowerPoint on your own, but I wanted to include just a little welcome message from myself and let you know that we will be giving you tremendous more information, especially towards the end of the year. Orientation is done usually February-ish, March-ish, to kind of get people some information. At this point, we don't know schedules. We don't know how many kindergartens. We don't know exactly what we're going to be doing because it is only February and we start in August. But we wanted to reassure you that it's going to be an incredible experience. We promise that things will work our hardest and do the best we can for your kindergartners. And we're excited about it. So this year has challenged us, as I have said. And if you have kids in other grades, you know that. But what doesn't kill us make us stronger, and we're getting stronger. That's for sure. So when you take a look at the PowerPoint, you're going to notice there's some welcomes. Forgive me while I look at this as I go through. And if you notice that there's some things that the way the PowerPoint is written is it is the one we've used currently. We've edited, of course, but it is for typical times. So as we talk about volunteers and coming to school, safety and parking, those are all assuming that we have free reign to come back. We do love volunteers and we want people to come and be a part of our school, but we do have some requirements having to do with TB testing and fingerprinting. You'll hear all about that when we are cleared to. Right now, we're not, so we can't. We've also included a video in this PowerPoint that we did, believe it or not, attach a GoPro to several kindergartners. And this was with permission. And we got a day in the life of kindergarten, and we think you'll enjoy this video. It is a couple of years old, but it makes us smile all the time and gives us a quick snapshot of some of the excitement that you'll see or your kids will see in kindergarten. We'll talk about the Mustang rules, and we have 4 pillars that we respond to, which are being respectful, responsible, friendly, and safe. And we are hoping that those are all layered throughout. The kids will know them by heart very soon and probably be chanting them at home. We'll talk a little bit about closed campus, or the PowerPoint will. Closed campus, you must come to the front office for anything if you need. So please, if you have questions, come to the front office and we will assist you. Do not go directly to the classrooms. We'll set up with you how kids are getting dropped off and picked up, and so that'll make it a little bit better for you. Parking and parking lots always seem overwhelming, and again, we'll get you more information. Health office information. If you have not yet registered, you need to contact the front office regarding registration, and they will let you know the immunizations and birth certificates, things that are required. But there are, for over-the-counter prescriptions or regular over-the-counter or regular prescriptions, they have to be logged into the health office. So just make sure, give us a call if we have any questions about what can and can't be on campus, especially regarding immunizations. All things must be up to date before they do start. So let's make sure we know that. Timeline, next steps is the kindergarten registration packets are already available. We hope that you get those in, and so we can get you in our numbers. In May, you're going to get more information about what the possible schedules are. We're going to have more information and then hone in. And then we also love to have a story time or a back to school for kiddos so they can come see the classroom, meet the teacher prior to the first day. We usually do that a few days before school starts. And then again, depending on what we're allowed to do, we're really hoping to see people's faces in person to be able to allow kids to come over for story time. And then Times, everybody wants to know about times. This year, we've done AM and PM sessions. So it's 7:52 to 11:13. It'll be on the piece of paper, or 11:17 to 2:38. It's going to dictate that will help dictate how many classes that we have, and at that point, we'll see. We have 3 classes right now. So we've had 4.5, we've had 3, we've had 3.5. We'll see how that works. First day of school is Wednesday, August 11th. I can't believe we're talking about August, but we are, and it's fantastic. The very last slide, you will see our contact information for the front office, or our website, or my email to let me know if you have any questions. This is quick. This is dirty. I'm sorry that it is just here from my office and I am not able to feel your excitement. But if you need anything, please let us know. We will be doing our best to help you, but can assure you as time goes on, information will become more readily available, and we will help with getting you all settled in your kindergartners. So please tell them I said hello, and enjoy the times of what we have right now, and get ready for a really exciting kindergarten year. Thanks, everybody.